Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got some good news for you. Now, for those of you who have been following my channel for a little while now, you know that one of my most recent videos, I actually spoke about some of the changes regarding UK visas that were actually going to be implemented. And I also spoke about how I thought this would affect you guys who are thinking of actually relocating to the UK next year, okay? Now, if you haven't seen that video, I will be sure to leave a direct link to that video down in the description box below so that you know exactly what these changes were and also how they're likely to affect you. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you yet another update, and this time it's in relation to unskilled workers. So if you're an unskilled worker looking to actually migrate here to the UK, then please do make sure you watch this video till the end to get the full details regarding how this news is likely to affect you if you're looking to actually migrate to the UK. By the way, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Tess, and on this channel I share a lot of useful information and resources for those who are looking to relocate over to the UK. So if this is the kind of content you'd like to see more of, then please do make sure you give this video a like, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. There's been a lot of updates in the press lately regarding skilled worker visas and student visas, etc. But today's update actually relates specifically to unskilled migrants. Basically, just a few days ago, the UK government body DEFRA actually announced that they were going to be issuing out up to 45,000 new visas in 2023 to seasonal workers. Okay, this is actually in response to the labor shortages that the sector itself has been facing for a long time now. This is an uplift of 15,000 compared to what was actually announced at the start of this year. They also mentioned the possibility of actually increasing the threshold by a further 10,000 new visas if it was actually necessary to do so. Now, this is obviously great news, particularly if you're an unskilled worker looking to actually migrate to the UK using this visa pathway. Now, obviously, if you're looking to migrate to the UK using this particular visa route, there are a couple of companies that you can actually start to make your application to if you're interested in coming to the UK using the seasonal worker visa, okay? Some of these employers actually include an employer like Angus Growers, for instance. Okay, so they have the particular sponsorship license and they can grant you a visa sponsorship under the seasonal worker visa route if that's the pathway that you're looking to actually come to the UK through, okay? Some of the roles available with this particular employer include those for fruit pickers, but of course there are actually other vacancies that they actually do recruit for, okay? So do make sure you check this particular website out if you are interested and check out the sort of benefits that they offer you and what sort of roles that you might be interested in if you were indeed to actually look to get a job with this particular employer. Now, the second recruiter that I'd like to show you guys is a recruiter called AG Recruitment. So AG Recruitment, okay, are another employer that have the relevant sponsorship license that they can provide to you if you're looking to come to the UK under the seasonal worker route, okay? So on their website, they actually list the entire application process, okay? So they've actually stated what their application process is for AG Recruitment, okay? Which actually states that you need to either fill out their online application or basically contact them in one of their relevant offices, okay? So what you need to do is basically find the office that's closest to you, maybe through their contact us page, and then one of their team can actually help you with your relevant application. They've also said that in order for you to actually attend an interview, you will need to give them your email address, okay, so that they can send you a confirmation of the date and time of your interview and any other relevant important information that they feel is necessary to provide you, okay? They've also stated that each interview can take up to 2 hours and that if you're successful, you will actually receive an email with the paperwork that you need to fill in before you actually leave to come to the UK. Now, another website I want to show you guys is Indeed. Now, Indeed is actually a website where you can find a vast range of jobs, okay, irrespective of whatever your profession or industry is. And the way I would do this if I was looking for a role as a seasonal worker in the UK is to basically go on the main homepage of Indeed and basically type in seasonal workers, okay, where it says what, you basically put in what role you're looking for, and where it says where, you basically put in the location on which you're looking for that role. In this case, you're looking for seasonal worker role in the UK. Okay, now that will generate a series of search results based on that. Now, when you're using Indeed, you do need to read through the search results, okay, to actually, as you can see, there are a few seasonal farm worker roles, you know, that have just been advertised. So you can actually have a read through to see whether that role is suitable for you. There's another seasonal worker role that's been advertised in Canterbury. What you want to do is using a website like Indeed, or indeed any of the other websites that I have mentioned in this video, to help you look for jobs here in the UK that you can apply to using the seasonal worker visa route. Now, this is just a few websites where you can actually find jobs for seasonal workers, okay? Do make sure you check out this video over here where I've gone through in depth, okay, regarding what the seasonal worker visa is, how you can apply, and I've also provided a comprehensive list of additional employers that you can actually apply to who have the relevant sponsorship license to provide you if you're a seasonal worker looking to come to the UK and work. Okay, hopefully that's been helpful for you. If it has been, please do make sure you give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.